This is the center front. So I'll trace this on a paper and cut it out. From here to here is ½ inch. Okay, so and from here to here is about 2 inches. All right, so all I'm going to do, you know, this is slanted. Okay, this is slanted, so you have to use your discretion in a way. Just bring down, create some broken lines here, some broken lines here. These broken lines will serve as a guide for you when you are drawing your curve. And from here to here, like I said, is 2 inches. Then you draw your curve, draw to meet with the broken lines up here. Okay, so I can clean off the broken lines. Okay, so this is what I have. Then from here down, I'm going to measure 2 inches. So from here, 2 inches, this very point. So from the center front inward, ½ inch. And I'll connect the point. Okay, so from this point, I'll measure 3½. 3½. Then I'll slant my tape this way. I measure 1 inch from this very point. This line here is like you're measuring 1 inch from the center front, but just make sure that the 1 inch is from this line. Okay, so then you can now connect to this point. Then I will continue to measure 1 inch, from this curved line. So just connect. So I'm going to use my tracing wheel. I'll trace from here, like that, like this, then from here, like this, you know. So this part, I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to remove it completely. So I just trace it on another paper and use it to cut my interfacing. So this is the center front. So I'll use interfacing now and cut it out. So this is what I have. Can you see? This is a normal neckline. So this is what you're going to do. Your pattern is going to be normal. And that was why I did not bother to cut the pattern, because as time goes on, I'm going to be needing the same pattern, okay? So that we'll be able to, for accuracy purpose, yeah. So this is my dart. So I'm going to just transfer all the darts onto the fabric. Okay, so, and concerning the cutout necklines, this is what I have. So this is interfacing. Can you see? This is the round, and here is the, can you see? This is what I have. So let's get started. So, and I'm left with this. And don't forget that I added seam allowance to the armhole here. So you have to also consider that, okay? As you're trying to, bring the two pieces together, you have to consider the space here. That is what you will use to judge it by the time you're trying to merge together, okay? And you remember that this piece, the rest of the bodies is under this. Can you see? And that is exactly how it is here, okay? So as you're trying to merge it together, also consider this. So it has to be equal with the shoulder line on the pattern, and considering the sewing allowance on the armhole. Very, very important. So I'm going to just try to merge together and pin, then we can continue from there, okay? So while you're overlocking, you can just cut more if you wish, cut more if you wish, but just ensure that the inside is not showing. So this has to cover it. I hope you understand. Okay. I have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video.